Hi everyone, my name is Tintin and I've worked on board one of the biggest cruise lines in the world, Royal Caribbean International. Today, I want to share with you what hospitality in a cruise ship truly means. It's not just about serving food or cleaning cabins. It's about creating unforgettable experiences and making every guest feel special. Because here in Royal Caribbean, our tagline says it all, like no vacation on earth. And the people behind that magic, it's us, the crew members who deliver the wow every single day. Hospitality on board is more than a job. It's a lifestyle. From the moment guests step on the gangway, they expect world-class service, and it's our responsibility to make that happen. Every smile, every gesture, every good morning, good afternoon, or good evening makes a difference. Because on a cruise ship, every guest you see, whether in the hallway, elevator, or restaurant, you must greet them with warmth and respect. That's part of the culture on board. You always greet, you always smile, and you always serve from the heart. There are many departments that fall under hospitality. Waiters and assistant waiters who ensure guests enjoy every meal. Cabin stewards who keep every stateroom clean and comfortable. Bartenders and bar servers who mix amazing drinks and connect with guests. Guest service officers who help guests with their questions, concerns, and special requests. Each position plays a big role in making sure guests have the best experience possible. A typical day for hospitality cruise starts early. Before breakfast servings begins, we check every table, utensils, and set up. We polish the glassware, prepare the trays, and make sure everything looks perfect. We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, sometimes for 1,000 of guests in a single day. And even though it's tiring, it's fulfilling to see guests smiling and enjoying the experience. For those working in the bar department, the day also starts early and ends late. They restock beverages, juices, and liquors for all the bars around the ship, from morning until late at night. Bartenders and bar servers not only serve drinks, they also remember the favorite cocktails and preferences of their guests. That personal touch makes guests feel special and appreciated. But it's not all about serving. They also have big responsibility to make sure that guests are not intoxicated or drinking beyond limits. It's part of their duty to keep everyone safe while still enjoying the cruise experience. But here's the truth. Even if you have personal problems, you're tired, or you miss your family, once you step onto the dining floor or behind the bar, everything changes. We are the actors and the rock stars of the cruise ship. We perform with energy and passion, no matter how we feel inside, because that's what hospitality means, to bring joy to others even when you're facing your own challenges. In Royal Caribbean, we call it Deliver the Wow. It means going beyond expectation and making every guest feel special. It's the small things that make a big impact. For example, if a guest asks where the nearest restroom is, instead of just pointing the way, you personally guide them there. Or when you see a guest carrying a big or heavy bag, you don't just watch, you offer to help carry it. Those small acts of kindness create unforgettable moments. That's what delivering the wow is all about. Not because you have to, but because you genuinely care. And that's what makes Royal Caribbean truly different. Our goal is to create experiences that guests will never forget because it's like no vacation on earth. To work in a cruise ship hospitality, you need more than skills. You need dedication, teamwork, and the right attitude. You'll undergo training in service, communication, and safety. You learn how to deal with guests from different nationalities and how to stay calm even under pressure. But above all, you must have a heart to serve because real hospitality comes from genuine care and love for what you do. Hospitality crew members receive a basic salary, but what makes the job truly rewarding are the tips and appreciation from the guests. When a guest leaves you a thank you note or says, "You made my vacation special," it feels amazing. Many guests give generous tips, especially when they see your dedication and effort. Those tips can make a big difference and remind you that your hard work is noticed. But it's not just the guests who recognize your effort. On board, supervisors and managers also observe how you work. If you do something extraordinary, like going the extra mile for a guest, showing leadership, or giving exceptional service, they recognize you through certificate, awards, or even special announcement during meetings. Sometimes they post your name on a crew bulletin board or give you a Crew of the Month award. And those recognition really motivate you. You feel proud, inspired, and ready to serve even better next time. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about money. It's about passion, pride, and purpose. Life on board isn't easy. There are no days off. Only short time offs between shifts. But still, we find joy in what we do. We celebrate small things, birthdays, anniversaries, and good feedback from guests. We build friendship, we help each other, and we treat our fellow crew members as family. Because at sea, your team becomes your second home. Hospitality in a cruise ship is not just about service. It's about heart, passion, and resilience. You learn teamwork, patience, and the true meaning of dedication. So if you dream of working on board, remember this. Be kind, be patient, and always serve with a smile. Deliver the wow every single day because that's what makes cruise ship hospitality truly special. This is Tintin, and I hope my story inspires you to chase your dream at sea. See you on the next video, and always remember, serve with heart and smile with passion.